Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and to wake it up we need to double tap on the screen. And once you wake up the screen you should see the watch face. Now we can press and hold on the screen. So let's wake up the screen again, come on, and press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping left or right, find the option called the settings, and once you find the settings, tap on it to enter. And as you can see here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Tap on it to enter, and if you want to enable the mode, tap on the switch to flick it on. Once you flick it on, the icon will change the color and the shape, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And on some of the watch faces you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can wake up the screen. And it's a bit finicky, this one. Come on, wake up. Okay, open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings, tap on settings, tap on the Do Not Disturb, tap on the switch to disable it. The icon will go back to gray color, it will change the shape, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also use the quick panel, or control panel basically. So if you wake up the screen, come on, wake it up, and swipe down from the top of the screen, you will open the controls menu. And here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and you can tap on it, tap on the icon to enable the mode, and then you can swipe up to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable it, you can tap on the icon to disable the mode and swipe up to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.